Good morning everyone. I am Ami ma'am and today I am going to teach you English. Children, in your previous sessions you had learned the concept of one and many. Today we are going to revise the same topic of one and many orally as well as in written form. Now this is one pencil. And how many are these? 1, 2 and 3 pencils. 1 pencil, 3 pencils. So 1 and many. Now 1 spoon. How many spoons are these? 1 and 2. 1 spoon, many spoons. So 1, many. 1 car, 1, 2, 3 cars. 1 car, 3 cars. So 1 and many. We can also say singular means one and plural means many. Now let's do the oral revision.
Singular means only one. There is only one dragon in this picture. Plural means more than one. There are so many dragons in this picture. Plural means many. In plural, we add s after the word. Let's see some examples related to singular and plural, or we can say examples related to one and many. C-U-P, cup, and on the other side there are more than one cup, so we say cups. C-U-P-S, cups. Cup is singular, cups is plural. B-E-double-L, bell, and on the other side there are more than one bell, so we say bells. B-E-double-L-S, bells. Bell, bells. S-H-O-E, shoe, and on the other side there are more than one shoe, so we say shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Shoe, shoes. B-A-double-L, ball. There is only one ball, and on the other side there are more than one ball, so we say many. So for many we say B-A-L-L-S, balls. Ball, singular, balls, plural. C-H-A-I-R, chair, and the plural is C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs. C-L-O-C-K, clock, and the plural is C-L-O-C-K-S, clocks. Clock, clocks. Can you see one pink color flower? Yes, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And there are many flowers on the other side, so we say F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. So flower is singular and flowers is plural.
Children, today we will do the written revision in your English classwork books, page number 106 and 107.
Children, please open English classwork book, page number 106. We will do an exercise related to singular and plural.
Children, open page number 106 of your English classwork book. We will do an exercise related to singular and plural. S-I-N-G-U-L-A-R, singular. Singular means one. P-L-U-R-A-L, plural. Plural means many. Let's write the date first. 4 3 dot 2 1 21. FLAG flag. This is one flag and these are 1 and 2. So it is more than one. So we call it many. So we have to write FLAGS, flags. Let's write FLAGS, flags. FLAGS. When there is more than one object, we add S at the end of the word. Now the second picture, STAR, star. This is one star and these are many stars. So we will write STARS, stars. Let's write STARS, stars. Now this picture is of one shoe, SHOE, shoe. Here there are more than one shoe. So we will have to write SHOES, shoes. SHOES, shoes. Shoes. LOCK, lock. This is one lock and there are many locks. So we will write LOCKS, locks. LOCKS, locks. Locks. Let's read it once again. FLAG, flag. FLAGS, flags. Flag, flags. STAR, star. STARS, stars. Star, stars. SHOE, shoe. SHOES, shoes. Shoes. LOCK, lock. LOCKS, locks. Locks.
Now children, open page number 107 of your English classwork book. We will do the exercise related to singular and plural.
Children, open page number 107 of your English classwork book. We will do the exercise related to singular and plural. Let's write the date first. 4.3.2121. Now children, as you all know, singular means one, plural means many. Children, on this side, all the singular words are given and we have to write their plurals. So let's start. The first word, BELL. This is singular. So what will be the plural of bell? Yes, plural of bell will be bells. So the spelling will be BELLS, bells. Let's write BELLS, bells. BELLS, bells. Bell, bells.
P-L-A-T-E, plate. And plural of plate is plates. P-L-A-T-E-S, plates. P-L-A-T-E-S, plates. Plate, plates. Plate, plates. G-L-O-V-E, glove. And the plural of glove is gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. Glove, gloves. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K-S, clocks. C-L-O-C-K-S, clocks. Clock, clocks. F-R-A-M-E, frame. Plural is F-R-A-M-E-S, frames. Let's write. F-R-A-M-E-S, frames. F-R-A-M-E-S, frames. Frame, frames. B-R-O-O-M, broom. And the plural is brooms. B-R-O-O-M-S, brooms. B-R-O-O-M-S, brooms. Broom, brooms. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. And the plural is C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Cloud, clouds. S-W-I-N-G, swing. And the plural is swings. S-W-I-N-G-S, swings. S-W-I-N-G-S, swings. Swing, swings. Let's read it once again. Bell, bells. Plate, plates. Glove, gloves. Clock, clocks. Frame, frames. Broom, brooms. Cloud, clouds. Swing, swings. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Bye-bye.